Coming out as a gay Igbo man and living my life has cost me a few things. It's so wonderful for me because what it has taught me is that people who are in my life are people who are supposed to be there. There are certain things about me as well that I kind of like still feel some type of way about certain people's reactions and how they treat me, where I still have a place in my heart for them. And sometimes it makes me feel some type of way, but that's one of those things. Anyway, the weather is really sunny. Is heat wave and we're going for ice cream. My man and I am going to enjoy this beautiful weather. I'm saying all this to say that it is better for you to live in your truth and maybe go through some of these heartaches, and you will come out on the other side feeling wonderful, amazing, and loving yourself. It is never going to be easy, but you've got this, and I got this as well because I'm doing my best. When you feel like you value certain people in your life and they begin to act weird, maybe you just need to rethink that maybe they are not supposed to be in your life. Just saying. Anyway, let's go and do what needs to be done. As always, I am going to always be the juicy, moisturized, hydrated, and unbothered Igbo gay man from Jikoka local government area of Anambra State. Okay. Such a hot weather. My goodness. It's a one-way street. So how do we get out? I need to get me this hand fan. It's really nice. It's USB chargeable. Oh my days. Okay, so we went into the supermarket where my man said that he will never ever go to because of the way they treated me. One time I went in there and I was trying to vlog, so I did not record anything in there at all. Not for YouTube, not for anything. Just went in there and got just a few snacks. I got real lemonades, some cantuccini. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. Listen to Igbo Queer and Unfiltered podcast. The podcast is released every Tuesday. You can listen to the podcast on every podcast platform that you listen to your podcast on. Subscribe to the African Gay Igbo Vlog channel. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.